Greetings as I record this. It's December 10th, first thing in the morning, and the Bank of Canada has just decided to hold the rate. That means no major changes. Stability, as we've talked about the last while, continues to be the order of the day. Well, let's look at the absorption rate for the month of November. We've shown a significant change here from October to November, as you can see on this detailed chart. This is our jump up to just shy of the buyer's market, still staying in seller's market territory. As you can see, it's stayed there now, certainly solidly the past year. Going back to look at the absorption rate here on this graph, going right back to December in 21, where you can see that's the COVID years. We're still staying inside that balanced market territory for essentially since March of 24. And we'll see what happens. This is a bit of a sharp change. A lot of more inventory came on the market the last month. And again, this hold on the interest rate, the overnight lending rate, should help stabilize things and keep people moving forward. Numbers of sales. Here's that more inventory came on the market and number of sales dropped in November. As you can see here, we dropped significantly. This is residential sales right here in the North Okanagan. And everybody wants to know about price. So let's look at average price. Has had this bubbly line between between $700,000 and $800,000. It's a little bit of an increase in November, staying here. We'll look at these in detail, but this overview is to give you the trend. So looking at the real estate stats, here we go. November compared with November of last year directly. Overall absorption rate, an increase of 10%, giving us just shy of 7, which is the outside of the balanced market. Number of active listings, I said, came up a bit, about 20 listings at 6%. New listings, basically the same. Numbers of sales stayed stable, so it's the increase in listings versus the stable sales. Again, stable sales compared with last year. So again, this is November last year. Days to sell, virtually the same. Again, you can see here there's almost no major change at all. Benchmark price has gone down 2.94%. The median price has changed by almost 10%. And that's an increase, so $699 to $765. The average price, 5%. So our November summary from the Association of Interior Realtors, again, month to the same month last year, we show sales down by 3.8%. That benchmark price down by 2.9%, and days to sell down by 1%. These are very, very neutral numbers, so close to a wash, not a significant change at all in any way. Inventory, the only one that showed a bit more change, is inventory up 6%. This means buyers are going to have more homes to choose from. Moving over to townhouses. We have 21 sales, an increase of 5%, a benchmark price decrease of 6.97%. Days to sell have gone down, and inventory has gone up significantly, 40%. So there's more townhouses on the market. Again, more units for buyers to choose from. Apartments, sales dropped significantly by 30%. Benchmark price went up by 1. Days to sell went up significantly. It was very fast last year at this month. And so it increased by just about 70% days to sell, which is a more normal rate for our area. Inventory has gone up by 6.4%. Back to this graphic. So what does this mean to you? As we say, the absorption rate remained barely in the balanced market territory at the top end, just short of a buyer's market. If you're thinking about making a move, buyers still have more choice, more time, and a bit of negotiating room. Sellers, sales are slower, but homes are still selling, and they're selling close to asking price if they're well presented and priced right. This means both sides of the equation, both buyers and sellers, it's not a bad time to be in the marketplace. If you're sellers, again, you're still concerned about keeping that pencil sharp and not messing around with price too much. Don't get a little aggressive. Our 5-year fixed rates continue to range between 3.9 and 4%. Make that actually 4.5%. So that's 4.5%. This is encouraging buyers to be more active searching out their homes. And we're always here to help. As I said at the beginning of this, I'm recording this on December 10th, right after the overnight bank rate announcement. And it's 6 degrees outside. It's Wednesday morning. It's an absolutely beautiful day in the Okanagan. So if you know someone who's thinking about moving to this gorgeous area, we're always willing and ready to help. I'm here to say thank you so much on behalf of me, on behalf of Ben, on behalf of Jen and Ann, all on the team. Thank you so much for your support over the past year. And we all want to wish you the very best of the holiday season. Merry Christmas if that's what you celebrate, or whatever you celebrate. I hope you have a great holiday season. And I look forward to talking to each of you and your friends or family in the upcoming year, 2026. What a number, 2026. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks so much for watching, and we will talk to you really soon. I'm Don Miller, and I'm sold on Vernon. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.